Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that freedom of money token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, freedom of money is a community driven meme token on the Binance Smart Chain BSC, primarily associated with the narrative and philosophy of Changping Zhao upcoming book of the same name. Purpose and narrative: it embodies the crypto philosophy of money without permission, tied to seized book, serving a community and speculative assets, technology and launch. It is standard BB20 token on BSC, launched on 27 February 2026 with re-announced contract and 0% buy-sell taxes for safely low friction. Tokens and distribution: it has a fixed 1 billion token supply with a notable concentration of holdings in the top wallets, presenting a key distribution dynamic. Freedom of money token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is not showing yet. Freedom money token is listed on Binance Alpha, MEXC, Bank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.